Hi guys, welcome back to the Forex Guy channel. I'm still gonna be talking about gold trading 24/7 today. I'm genuinely excited about this topic because I want everyone to know that we can now trade gold a full 7 days a week. As we all know, gold's price movement is massive. What if we could trade it without any days off? That means non-stop opportunity, a chance to find profit from gold trading every single day. But please note that not many brokers have added this pair yet. And for today's video, I'll be reviewing XM's version of XAUUSD 24/7. Please watch until the end because XM does it a little differently. And I don't want you making a wrong move. Also hit subscribe now guys because I'll be sharing Forex content on this channel regularly. Let's start with opening an account. If you don't have an XM account yet, just click the link in the description or visit rebrand.ly/xmfx. The registration process is really quick. It only takes about a minute. Fill in your email, create a password, check this box, and click register. Once you're registered, go ahead and verify your identity by uploading your ID card. This is to make sure you will be able to withdraw your profits from XM. After you're registered, go straight ahead and connect your XM account to MT5. Now you might be wondering, which account types can access gold 24/7? Good news! Every account type can trade gold 24/7. XM has 3 account types: standard, ultra low, and shares. And the minimum deposit at XM is super affordable, just $5. I've already logged into MT5 here. The sign that you've logged in successfully is that your account name will appear right there. But if you run into any trouble connecting your XM account to MT5, let me help you out guys. Reach out to me on Instagram at UDForex, and it's just not MT5 issues. Whatever trading problem you are facing, I'll help you out. Once your account is connected to MT5, just go to the quotes menu, do a search, and type in gold. XM's gold symbol is literally gold, not XAUUSD like other brokers. Type gold, then click on gold 24/7. This one right there. Once it checked, just exit out. And now the gold 24/7 pair has appeared in your quotes. Whenever you want to trade this pair, just click that gold 24/7, then click chart. And I guarantee you can now trade gold fully every single day with no days off. Go ahead and sign up with XM now and get this privilege. The link is in the description. Give this a like if you just know that gold trading is now available a full 7 days a week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, my friends.